2016 through 2017 Ford Mustang. Let's get into it. First up, here's what you're gonna wanna have on hand for the job. It takes 1.7 quarts of fluid. They come in quarts, so we bought 2 of them. It's gonna be 75 W85 per manufacturer specification. And you're gonna want this 4 fluid ounces of friction modifier as well. And then for tools, you're just gonna need a 3/8 drive, really anything ratchet wise. I got this nice Icon one here. I'm gonna be testing that out for the video. And then to catch your fluid, something just to hold the fluid. And obviously a jack and jack stands, if applicable. Otherwise, if you can get under there without it, more power to you. Forgot to mention, get yourself a nice little pump like this one. And then I got some PTFE thread tape here. I use this for general plumbing around the house, but I believe it'll work fine on the differential plugs. We'll check that out when we actually get down there. Now underneath the car, you're gonna find your differential right here, in between your 2 pipes that go out to your mufflers. Right here's the drain plug, and then right up here's your fill plug. So you're gonna start by loosening the fill plug. It's just a 3/8 drive. You're just gonna stick that in there and then break her loose. Now the fill plug is nice and loose. You're gonna go ahead and, just in case, put your little drain pan underneath of it, just in case. Now, this service has not been performed on this car. It's 122,000 miles, so this will be the first time this fluid gets changed in a while. I'm not dropping the actual full cover, just because I went under here with the flashlight and it looked like a pain to drop the entire cover. So I'm just gonna do a simple fluid change. All right, now that we got the fill plug off, take a look at that. Look at all that metal material right there that the magnet caught. That is disgusting. It's a good thing we're changing this fluid. Hopefully it's not too late. All right, when cleaning off that fill plug, I'm gonna use a little bit of brake clean. I got some in the threads, and I got some picks here. I'm gonna use some picks to clean out these threads and ensure that I'm getting all that gunk off of them. Now that the fill plug is clean as you can get it, just go ahead and set it on the side, and now break your drain plug loose. All right, now with your drain plug loose, go ahead and get your catch can ready. Look at how dark that fluid is. Wow. It's a really good thing we're changing this fluid. Now that we've stopped draining, I went ahead and just wiped around where all the gear oil came out from. Got it nice and clean. Ooh. Now that it's all cleaned up, I'm gonna take my drain plug and put my drain plug in. I'm not adding the tape to it because it still is, the factory tape is still on there and it looks good. The threads are nice and clean. So I'm just gonna reuse it. Once it's nice and hand tight, you're gonna go ahead and tighten that up. This is going to be torqued down to 25 foot-pounds. So go ahead and get your torque wrench out to 25 foot-pounds. All right. And there you go. 25 foot-pounds. Now that your drain plug's in, you can get your little pump. And you're going to put it inside the fill plug up here. Now, you're gonna pump away. Now this is gonna take 1.7 quarts. I have 2, because they only sell these in 1 quart intervals. So I know it's gonna at least take this one and about 3/4 of that other one. So now you're just gonna keep pumping until full. Now we got the first quart of gear oil in. Now we're gonna put in the friction modifier. And on your final quart here, just gonna start pumping. Now you're gonna keep pumping until you see this fluid coming back out of the fill hole. That's how you know it's full. And as you guys can see, we now have some fluid dripping back out of the fill hole. So now I'll go ahead and clean the threads of the fill hole. Now I'm just gonna stick my pinky in there just to make sure our levels are good. Oh yeah. And that gear oil is right there, right at the base of the fill hole. So now I know we are full. Car says it only takes 1.7 quarts of gear oil. I added the 4 ounces of Ford friction modifier and then 2 quarts. And it seems like 2 quarts is what it wanted. I guess there is some fluid still in the pump here, so it's not a full quart, but it'll do. Alrighty, with the threads cleaned on the fill plug, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall that. Now with the fill plug on, we're gonna torque that down to 25 foot-pounds as well. And like that, that's all you need to do. Now, the fill plug is tightened to 25 foot-pounds and the drain plug is tightened to 25 foot-pounds. We've added 2 quarts of 75 W85 and 4 ounces of Ford friction modifier. Now we're good to start the car, drive it around a little bit, and then check for leaks out of both holes.